So when Chesapeake Bay trash collecting and really just life, sometimes things don't go as planned. Stuff breaks and it's got to be fixed. So when your life insurance policy doesn't go as planned, what are your options? Well, the first option is actually provided by a surprise friend here, the IRS. The IRS will allow a transfer of cash value out of an existing life insurance policy, whether it's working or not, into a new policy without requiring taxes be paid on any gains. This is known as a 1035 exchange. And you can 1035 exchange your life insurance policy as many times as you want as long as you're healthy enough to get a new policy. This will allow you to get out of a dysfunctional policy, keep your coverage, and not add to your tax bill. Next is when you exercise a reduced paid up or extended term option. These options, like the last one, are only available on cash accruing policies. The extended term feature is when you have the premiums come out of your cash value and you no longer send in premium payments. This basically will extend the coverage out for a certain period of time until that money runs out. Reduced paid up option is when you take that cash value and basically turn it over into a lump sum permanent amount of insurance. So the company stops collecting premiums and issues a paid up amount of insurance on you. And the last way to fix a dysfunctional policy is to do what's called a viatical settlement. This is only reserved for clients who happen to be over the age of 70 and may or may not have a few health conditions. And this works for term or whole life plans where you actually ask investment companies if they're willing to purchase or buy out your plan from you. Now, essentially, the older and more medical conditions you have, the more money the company is willing to give you for your policy. Now, for those that qualify in this age and health group that have term policies which don't traditionally collect cash value, a viatical settlement is pretty much the only way you could get cash back for your term plan.